Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you are not a subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're gonna love it here, I promise. So guys, this vlog is going to be an interesting one. We are going on a trip. Yeah, we are going on a trip. We are going to Badagry and we are going to be having a lot of fun. Yeah, a lot of fun. I'm going to carry you guys along. I've not been to Badagry. I've been in Lagos for plus or minus 3-4 years. Though I recently settled in during my NYC, but like I've been coming and going and stuff. So yeah, ever since I've been in Lagos, I've not been to Badagry. And so this trip, I am going to be going to Badagry. Earlier this year, I promised myself that I would go out like at least once in a month. But like some things happened and I wasn't able to. Earlier this year, I was going through my own. So when I came across that on Instagram, I decided to like, you know what, let's just register, let's just pay for it. And it's finally here. We'll be going tomorrow and I want to carry you guys along and I hope you guys will enjoy everything as much as I will enjoy filming this. So I'll see you guys in the vlog. Let's go.
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see.
So guys, I'm the first to get here. I'm currently waiting for the others. I'm seated in the bus. I am waiting for the others to come. Yeah, so that's the update. I just thought to update you guys and I'll see you in the vlog. Let's go.
Cutie little darling, my heart is starting to beat a little faster. Oh, what a sweet disaster when you are near me. Can you even hear me?
Before they say we are cargo, we are property. So they have to put this inside the fire. When it's on, it tipped red. Even if I'm sorry, what's your name again? Sorry, your name? What? Ashake. Now, if I'm Ashake, my name should be Ashake because they have no name. So imagine putting this inside the fire. When the tip turn red, then I saw that Ashake on my chest or at my back. I don't know, maybe you guys can feel the pain. Hot iron. Some people compare this with tattoo. No, tattoo is a needlework. This one, hot iron on somebody's body to write it in. They did, we call it branding. They did the branding of the women.
You see me move, you feel the pull. A quiet one that makes you full. You try to act like you're so cool, but I'm the wave you cannot rule. No rush, no fight, just a sway on my side. Your heartbeat's crashing like a rising tide. You think you're steady, but you're open wide. One sway from me and there's no place to hide. Sway, sway my way. Move with me, don't be afraid. Sway, sway my way. Let my body lead the way. My hips confess what lips don't say. A silent dance that makes you stay. You lose your words, you lose your day. You're tangled up and that's okay. No rush, no fight, just a sway on my side. Your heartbeat's crashing like a rising tide. You think you're steady, but you're open wide. One sway from me and there's no place to hide. Sway, sway my way. Move with me, don't be afraid. Sway, sway.
increase the price. No.
I'm not increasing. I'm not. Why am I going to do that for sister?
I really like it. It's so pink.
Which one did you cut? I think it.
This is what I have on my neck.
Oh, okay.
How much will you give me for this one, please?
Ah,
Come on,
this
come
is
up
nice.
price.
So
Bring this one. How many spoons? Two spoons. Two.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a
you guys, this is my tent. See my tent mate. Swap for us now. Bye guys. Hi guys, good morning. How are we doing? I hope we're good. I hope we enjoy watching this as much as I enjoy filming and vlogging this. I really enjoy filming it. I had so much fun, and I could not update you guys during the vlog. I think the only updates I made was when I was in the bus and I was waiting for the others. I do not really think I made like a talking video, except maybe okay, I was talking in the video and stuff, but like I didn't make like a talking video addressing talking to you guys and stuff. But anyways, I had fun. I made new friends. Yeah, friends with an S. Yeah, it's so like it was such an exciting one for me because I honestly it's just something I needed because I what was in my mind when I registered for it was, oh, I'm doing this because of my birthday. I didn't really had much to do this year. I was going through some stuff. I didn't celebrate and I was pained and I can't wait a whole year to celebrate and stuff. And I'm like, have free will. I can decide to celebrate my birthday anytime I decide to, even though my birthday has passed since January, but like I can decide to like celebrate it anytime I saw them with want to. But like when I like go on this trip, it's just so much more for me aside like just the beer celebration. It's just I had a lot of fun. Like I listened to a lot of histories. I saw a lot of things. I know you guys would have seen it in the course of this video. I took a lot of like will I say bucket list? Yeah, like boat cruise, sleeping on a tent by the beach. I've always wanted to do that for the longest, and yeah, I took that off on just one trip. Like it was so very much more fun, much fun. Like I do not expect myself like mingling, like relating with people, and I did all of that. Like I'm super proud of myself, to be honest. I am super proud of myself, and yeah, I would sign up for more of these trips in the future. Yeah, and also I just want to yap a bit. We've been having a bit of issue with light since I moved here like a year ago. I think this is like the first time that I won't be having light for like almost a week now, and it's really been draining. I really want to edit this vlog as soon as possible so I can post it, but at the same time, I there's no light, and there's so much there's so little I could do without light. Get anyways, that's that. I don't want to yap too much, and I just hope this vlog will not be too short, and I hope it will not be just pictorial or like me not addressing or me not talking to you guys. And hopefully in the next vlog we'll be able to do a lot more than that, and to always get better. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking with me. I don't know if I said my name in the beginning of this vlog, so I'll say my name. My name is Oluwadara Simidi for short, and this is Living with D. So when you come across this, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Like I always say, like, comment, support your girl, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.